चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और आपको बता दें कि कर्नाटक स्टेट लीगल सर्विसेज अथॉरिटी द्वारा किए गए सर्वे ने राज्य के प्राइमरी हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स की पोल खोलकर रख दी है। 100 सेंटर्स में किए गए सर्वे में ये पता चला है कि इनमें से 50 सेंटर्स में 24 घंटे की इमरजेंसी सेवा ही नहीं हो रही है, तो वहीं 76 सेंटर्स के पास इमरजेंसी स्थिति से निपटने के लिए एम्बुलेंसेस तक नहीं है। इनमें कुछ प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर्स में सिर्फ एक ही टॉयलेट है, जिन्हें स्टाफ और मरीजों दोनों द्वारा ही इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। इतना ही नहीं, कुछ सेंटर्स में तो पीक समय पर डॉक्टर्स ही मौजूद नहीं रहते। आपको बता दें कि एक याचिका की सुनवाई करते हुए कर्नाटक हाईकोर्ट ने पब्लिक हेल्थ सेंटर्स का सर्वे करवाने का आदेश दिया था।
Well, the Karnataka State Legal Services Authority had done an audit of about 101 PHCs across the state of Karnataka, and one of the PHCs also that was audited was in fact the Siddhapura PHC near Lalbagh, near Jayanagar First Block, where we are. And what was in fact found at this PHC that we've also cross-checked, that our visuals would show you, is that there is only a single washroom over here available for use for the male staff, for the female staff, as well as for the public that's visiting this PHC, which basically just goes on to hint at the fact that there is no basic cleanliness and hygiene that is being maintained over here in terms of the Indian public health standards, which has in fact been set as a benchmark for all of the PHCs. This really brings us, brings to the mind, of course, questions of how safe really it is, and why is it that, even after so much of revamping, after so much of renovation as well, basic facilities such as these are lacking.
और आपको बता दें कि हेल्थ सेंटर्स में हुई चेकिंग के बाद कर्नाटक सरकार ने इसका सारा का सारा दोष म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन पर मढ़ दिया है। राज्य के स्वास्थ्य मंत्री ने कहा कि सरकार ने पब्लिक हेल्थ सेंटर्स का निर्माण करवाया है, लेकिन इसकी देखभाल की जिम्मेदारी सिविक बॉडी की होती है।
In spite of all this, amidst the COVID pandemic, we have taken up 250 model PHCs upgradation. So, because of the constraint in the finances, we have taken 250 modification, upgradation of the PHCs. We will be increasing the number of doctors also there. We will be making that as 24/7, and a total facelift in terms of infrastructure also has been taken care, and it will be one of the state-of-the-art facility at that primary health center level. Coming back to PHCs in BBMP area, unfortunately this is not under the direct control of the health department. This is being monitored by BBMP officials only. So I will check on that, and as our Honorable CM is also feeling that the health system should be always under one department. So I think the government is seriously considering to bring back the health facilities of BBMP area under one roof only.